the Kgd type for grooving and cutoff, and the Kgdf type for face grooving. Innovative grooving solutions using new chip breakers, new grades, and new tool holders. The new Kgd and Kgdf are now available. Let's look at the advantages of the Kgd for grooving and cutoff. The Kgd has an expansive insert lineup. The new chip breakers achieve outstanding chip control in machining a variety of workpiece materials. Tackle a variety of cutting applications with our wide insert lineup. The GM chip breaker produces excellent chip control both in grooving and traversing. The PM chip breaker for cutoff produces smooth chip evacuation. Our high-precision mold technology enables a plus or minus 0.03 mm edge tolerance of inserts for 2 to 4 mm groove widths. The MEGACOAT inserts with superior wear and oxidation resistance realize long tool life and highly efficient cutting. The Kgdf type tool holder for face grooving. The GM chip breaker for general purpose, and the DM chip breaker for deep grooving. Both the GM chip breaker and the DM chip breaker provide excellent chip control. Our unique W-grip clamping system realizes more rigid clamping and stable cutting. The Kgd and Kgdf type tool holders show great chip control in a variety of applications. The Kgd and Kgdf are your new grooving solutions.